Okay, so this is a new apartment I'm working on now. I already finished the other one. Right now, what I'm doing is I sealed up all these holes because I did this apartment already before, but the people moved in and they just moved out, so they left a whole bunch of holes on the walls, which I already basically, you can see, I covered up already. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff, not that much stuff to do here, but I cover all these holes up as well. I'm repainting and retouching things up. Got a few things in here as well. They built this here. I gotta knock down right here. I don't know what the hell they built there in this bathroom. And also, look what happened to this tub. I don't know what the hell happened to this tub. I don't know what the hell these people was doing in here, but it was doing it. And I gotta refix all this stuff up. And over here, it's not that bad, the room. So I just gotta knock these things down. I don't know what the hell they built here, but yeah. It's gonna be 10 o'clock at night, and I'm still working on this apartment. Trying to get it done by Monday or Tuesday the latest. So basically I got like 2 more days left, or 3, so I can get my little bread. Other than that, see, it was more before. I repainted it, so I just retouched up some more holes, and there goes the thing that I took down. I repatched this up real good. I patched that up real good. Later on, I'll sand it down when it's dry, and it's good to go. And tomorrow, I gotta work on this. Take all these faucets out, and put some new stems and some seats and stuff in there. And yeah, it starts to look good now. I'm gonna knock this down too and put a brand new light fixture. Okay, so basically I'm gonna start working on this right now. And started putting some new stems and seats in there. So basically I gotta scrape all this off later on after I finish this. And then from there, let's see what happens. Okay, basically I already installed the seat and the stem. So there's no more leaks coming out here. What causes the leak is when the back of the rubber burns out from the stem. You gotta change the seat. This is the seat right here. If the seat get damaged, you can change it. But find out that the seat wasn't damaged. It was just the rubber that was burned out from the stem. So yeah, and this is what causes all that. So what I gotta do is I gotta sand all this off and put some of this right here. This right here is for tub sinks and towels. So it's a paint. It's like a waterproof paint that glosses this whole tub and makes it look even better. And after that, everything will look cool. Gotta replace these towels and make everything better. So let's see what happens. Okay, so basically I sand out the tub, I fixed the faucets, and now it's time for me to paint it. So you see it now like this, it's not gonna look like that no more, right? Alright, so I'm ready to install this light fixture and take out this old coupe that I have here. And yeah, this is what I'm about to put up right now. The bathtub looks awesome. Nice and painted. Bathroom's looking good. Nice and painted. Just gotta paint this right here, the towel holder, and clean up a little bit. I did this bathroom. I did this bathroom. I did this apartment within like 3 days. I got a special monkey here, a special guest. And then yeah, everything's looking good. She's just cleaning up for me right now. Kitchen, I just gotta have to hit the bottom up and the edges, and everything else is good after that. I got the light power off because got some stuff to I gotta install this light fixture, so yeah, let me get to work. Alright, so I got this crap coming down. I had to break down the screws because it was rusted and old and it wouldn't budge, so I broke this down. Now I gotta disconnect the positive and then the negative, and then from there I will put the new light fixture I have down there, and I'm gonna use my wire cutter, clamp that off, and then I put the caps on afterwards. So to hold it in place, put the ground wire hanging up from there, and then from there put some light bulbs and check it out to see what turn on, put the fuse back on, and from there it should be good. It's gotta go bye-bye. I gotta throw this out, and yeah, let's see how it looks afterwards. Okay, so basically I installed my light fixture, and it took me like 5 seconds or minutes to do because this is so fast to do. And yeah, so everything's looking good now that the light is bright. Before there was no light in here, and now there is. We created light. Okay, so basically I put it up there now, screwed it in tight. Now I gotta put the plate, put the bow up there and seal it up, and it's gonna look cool. Alright, so basically I'm installing the outlets now. Got some outlet box right here. Put some new outlets. This was burnt to the T. The other one was worse. I just changed a few outlets as well. Don't know what they was doing, but now this one's working good. You see it's working good. And look how bad this one was. This outlet could have caused a fire, but I put a brand new one, and now it works perfect. You see, and here's a tester. It lets me know that the power is running. Put it on top. Same thing as well. So, other than that, yeah, this outlet is running good. So, yeah, everything else is cool. Yeah, put the new light fixture, so it looks good too as well. This is the apartment. It's dark in here. This is nighttime, so this is how everything's looking. Still got some stuff to do. Let me turn this light on. It's dark in here. Wow, scary. Roar. So this is how everything looks. The floors looks good. Let's go over here. Everything looks spooky. What's going on? Oh, I got scared. All right, this is the apartment I was working on, and everything looks so good now. See, the walls, everything looks good. And here, I didn't get to put I didn't do the white molding in the inside, so they just wanted it regular. And this is the bathtub I was working on, which, let me get, oh my God, everything looks so pretty. And this is the new light fixture I put. This is the bathtub I was working on. Alright, the video was a little blurry, so now I fixed it. So this is how everything looks. I fixed the walls, fixed all this up as well, faucet, painted the bathtub, gave it a new look. This is how beautiful it looks now. Everything looks awesome. This is the bathroom. Well, this is how the floor looks. And yeah, everything looks good. The only thing I have to do is take this out right here, and the apartment is good to go. So other than that, yeah. Stove look nice and beautiful and clean. Cabinets is good. Even the closet. Oh, I have to take this out. Forgot about that. But other than that, yeah, that's how nice it looks. So about it. Other than that, yeah, apartment's good to go. Now let me shut everything off. Show you how everything looks after. Okay, this is another camera lens that I'm using. It's to show you the whole perspective of the house. And everything looks longer. But it looks awesome because you can see everything now. It looks cool, right? The bathtub looks nice. Look how beautiful and before the video earlier to now. Floor looks amazing. Yeah. Alright. So I guess this is how it looks. Let me start shutting everything off. Ooh.